In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a value stream map in Draw.io for Confluence. A value stream map helps you visualize how work flows from request to delivery so you can spot delays, handoffs, and waste. We'll build it directly inside Confluence using the Draw.io integration. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want the map to live and switch the page into edit mode. In the editor, type the /command/draw. From the menu that appears, choose the option to insert a draw.io diagram. When the Draw.io window opens, select blank diagram, so you start with a clean canvas, then click Create to launch the editor. Before placing any shapes, enable the Value Stream Mapping library. In the left sidebar, click More Shapes to open the Shape Manager. Find the business category, then check the box for Value Stream Mapping. Click Apply. You'll now see a dedicated set of value stream symbols in your Shapes panel ready to drag onto the canvas. From here, you can build your map. Start with the endpoints, such as a customer or external partner, and then add your process boxes from left to right to represent each major step. Use inventory or queue symbols to mark where work piles up, and connector arrows to show the direction of flow. Information flow shapes help you show signals, orders, or digital handoffs that trigger work. If you're capturing timing, place timeline and data boxes beneath the process steps to note cycle time, wait time, and percent complete and accurate. This will make bottlenecks stand out clearly. A few tips to keep everything readable. Turn on the grid and snap to grid for tidy alignment. Use consistent colors, such as one color for current state processes and a different highlight for pain points. Double-click any shape to add labels and keep names short and action-oriented. For connectors, pick orthogonal or elbow connectors so lines don't cross through shapes. If you need to rearrange steps, select a group of shapes and move them together to preserve spacing. As you work, Confluence and Draw.io save your changes so you can refine your map over time. If the canvas feels crowded, zoom out, add white space, or use the Format panel to reduce font size slightly. When your current state map is clear, you can duplicate the diagram in Draw.io to sketch a future state version using the same library. That's it. You've created a value stream map in Draw.io for Confluence by opening your page, inserting a blank diagram, enabling the value stream mapping shapes under business, applying the library, and then assembling the map with the ready-made symbols.